Hey everyone, so this is a clipper set that I did receive from a Temu haul that I did a few weeks ago. So I'm basically just going to show you how I use the trimmers in this set. I like to have my hair like rounded off in the back, and although it's not going to be perfect, I just like for the stray hairs around the perimeter of my hairline to be not there. So I'm just going to show you how I use these trimmers, and then towards the end of the video I'm going to show you how loud they are. They're super easy to use, they're really precise in my opinion, and they work really good. And most importantly, I love that they're cordless. I absolutely love not getting tangled in any cords. I also make sure to leave coupon codes and the link in the description box, so if you want to check these particular set of clippers out, you can. So let me know what you guys think towards the end of the video. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but I just like to get the little hairs off in the perimeter of my nape. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.